Again, there's your lineup. The 6 planes in this particular race. Unlimited 1B. Race 3, Dennis Sanders, Eagles Wings. 81, Rob Gordon, Lady Joe. And Lady B right behind. Race 41 with Michael Fledger. Mark Moody, 62, race 62 in Bunny. JD Jim Dale, Pretty Polly, race 63. And JP Thibodeau, race 21 in the Crusader.
Yeah, so Dennis Sanders is no relation, right, Tommy?
Nope, no relation. Not that I know of. We might go back to Scotland and find some sort of crazy connection somewhere.
Sounds good. So we're looking out towards the chute, waiting for them to come down when they get released. This is our silver race, so it's, again, it's 1 Sea Fury, 1 King Cobra, and the rest are P-51s. I think we have 2 rookies in this race. 3 rookies in this race, actually. Jim Dale is a rookie, JP Thibodeau is a rookie, and Michael Flegler is a rookie in the Unlimited, although practically a professional in the T6. You got a good view of the stands right now. Check out those flags going.
Yeah, it's starting to get a little feisty, the wind out here today. We're up at altitude. We're in the desert, so wind is pretty much usually always a factor. Some days it's stronger than others.
Usually it doesn't start till about 2 o'clock, and it's 1:23, and it's already just whipping.
And a big front pass through yesterday.
It was
gentlemen, you're looking good, gentlemen. You got it right.
And that's Steve Hinton in the pace plane just released the guys coming down the chute.
There they are.
You can hear them already. And here they come.
On the track. Again, on the inside,
Dennis Sanders on the inside. Robbie Gordon in Lady Joe. Michael Flegler in Lady B. That's your 1, 2, 3 right now.
Mustang, Lady Joe. Then Mike Flegler, Lady B. Bunny, another Mustang.
You see them out there in the back of the course. They'll be coming around the Valley of Speed any second out there. That's Dennis Sanders right there in the Eagles Wing.
Dennis Sanders. No stranger.
Beautiful Sea Fury.
He's taken the family airplane.
Look at that Passel back there. Look at them all bunched out, because that's what you get when you get P-51s. They're all about the same speeds, and they're all about the same quality, and they're all going to bunch up like the T6s when you get them all to race together.
Here comes race 3, leading the way down through the Valley of Speed.
Pulling ahead.
Okay, they're in the Valley of Speed right now.
And he's thinking, okay, let you guys battle it out. I'm just going to take first.
Yeah, I kind of like this spot if you don't mind.
I like that sound. That sounded great. Here he comes down the straightway on the front. Dennis Sanders, your race leader.
Race number 3 got himself a good lead so far.
And there's a bunch of people behind him. Let's see if we can figure it out. That is Lady Joe, Lady B, and Bunny. 1, 2, 3, or 2, 3, 4 actually. Look, Mark Moody's making a move, and then Crusaders behind them, and then Pretty Polly's just there in the back, pulling at the back.
Pretty Polly started in 5th position now.
And Crusaders passed her in the back. Nice to see.
8141 on your right.
Okay, you can hear them. They're giving each other information about passing. So Lady Joe, Lady B, and Bunny. Of course, Dennis Sanders is pulling away. That beautiful Sea Fury.
Sanders
there he is.
The straight aluminum look there.
I don't think I'd call it polished quite yet.
No, not quite polished. Some others are more polished than that one.
Just got its numbers the other day, and then they put some nose art on it as well. It came up here completely bare.
For a work in progress, he seems to be stepping out pretty well on this
he knows what he's doing.
Racing day on Thursday.
He's been racing here all his life, it seems.
Miss Sanders from Iona, California.
Yeah, there he is.
Definitely in control right here.
I love the big spinner on a Sea Fury. What can I tell you? So here's your Dennis Sanders coming around, starting lap 2. And the gaggle of P-51s right behind him. A gaggle of Mustangs. How bad can that be?
Yeah.
For you fans at home, how many of you seen this many Mustangs in the sky before? And it still is Lady Joe, Lady B, Bunny, and Crusader in that order. Lady Joe with Robbie Gordon.
That's race 81.
Wow.
Lady B is race 41. And Bunny race 62.
And there's JP Thibodeau in Crusader. Picking up the rear, Pretty Polly.
Pretty Polly is race 63.
1,720.
Yeah, she's an Allison-powered aircraft, while the others are Merlin-powered. And, of course, the Sea Fury's R2800. There's Dennis calmly taking the lead.
Speaking of Sea
keeping
Furies.
the lead. Pedaling as fast as he can. And he's coming down the valley of speed. The folks out there are going to enjoy that. He has a great line. He's down low against the pylons, keeping it very, very tight. And here we have the battle for second place. It's like Lady Joe and Lady B. Battle for third, Lady Joe, Lady B, and Bunny and Crusader. In that order still, I believe. That's Dennis Sanders.
Dennis Sanders starting lap number 3.
Yeah. Told you we should get one of those umpire things. And here come the gaggle of P-51 Mustangs coming around the final pylons going towards home.
One of these times we're just going to sit back and listen to this go by so everyone can experience.
Not bad at all. So that's Lady Joe, Lady
Race
B,
81.
and Bunny.
Race 41. Race 62, Bunny. Mark Moody
Next is
in the
And there's
Mustang.
JP Thibodeau in Crusader, and here comes Pretty Polly one more time. I'm wondering if Dennis is going to be able to lap Pretty Polly by the end of the race.
Well, it's got
He's got time.
half a racetrack away from him right now. So
Exactly.
Yeah, and they're just now half done. So it's a possibility. It could happen.
Here he comes down the valley of speed one more time.
Eagle's Wings, the name of this plane.
Yeah, I don't know the story behind the name, but it is definitely a special aircraft. I hope you guys heard that at home. That was our new sound on the pylon, so you can hear them as well as see them. And here comes
strong
Dennis
sound
Sanders.
out there.
Number 3, Dennis Sanders out of Ione.
Now our Mustangs coming up, they're in Valley of Speed right now. They started out in March of 1940 as an NA-73X designed by an Austrian German.
So Lady Joe's been out here with Robbie Gordon for many years. He has shared the flying duties with Dan Vance on that airplane off and on. It's owned by a gentleman named Darrell Bond. Here comes Lady Joe.
Joe, over in the neighboring state of Idaho, Boise, Idaho, is Rob Gordon.
And here comes Bunny's making her move on Lady B. That's Mark Moody and Bunny with the red nose and red tail. Lady B, light blue.
117 days. That's a record in anybody's book that has stood to today.
So Bunny taking over the third spot as near as we can tell at this point.
Yes, seems that
Halfway
way.
through the race, more than halfway through the race.
1 to 8 miles.
Just got a couple of laps left to go.
Single stage supercharger, waiting to put down low.
And here comes Dennis around for just about to start lap 5.
An airplane here. We think it was one of our Merlins on there that we're using on our
There he is right there on the screen. Look at those clouds show that we're really windy here. That's Dennis Sanders.
Right in front of the crowd here.
White flag. This is our white flag. This is our penultimate lap.
Came from was a nickname when it run by the Brits after they put the Merlin engine and it really came to life. But when the airplane was first designed,
Let's see how far back the gaggle is. Here they come now.
so the first flag.
Dennis has a commanding lead. Not a worry in the world. You're
Not
probably
making it look easy like
like we've seen in the past.
yeah, a
There's
couple of
Lady
our
Joe.
races today looking like that. Lady Joe.
Then Bunny. Bunny's picked up third. Lady B behind him.
1942, they had the Razorback, the B models.
That's Dr. Michael Flegler. And JP Thibodeau, he's a pilot as well, a professional pilot for commercial airline, and he's flying Crusader.
500-pound, the Allisons. They stopped painting them to save 16 pounds back.
Here the Crusader. Race 21 starts into their final lap here.
Which has the bubble canopy. These airplanes you see flying out here today.
And the Here comes Pretty Polly one more time. But on the screen right now, you see the, Dennis Sanders coming down the Valley of Speed one last time. This is the final lap.
So a dominating performance for Dennis
Should be a
Sanders.
checkered flag.
Checkered flag.
There we go.
That was a dominating performance for sure.
Dennis Sanders and Eagles Wings, Ione, California. Race number 3.
Yeah, Dennis is an expert in the Sea Fury. His entire family is Sea Fury experts, and he knows what he's doing.
Well, that Sea Fury was set up for this race for sure. It'd be interesting to see the time averages, the times, how they come out on that one. Speed averages.
And here comes Lady Joe. Robbie Gordon flying Lady Joe here. And then behind her is Mark Moody in Money, the red tail.
Next should be Mike Fligler.
Mike Fligler and Lady B.
Runway 26 is in use. Wind 190 at 18.
Should be JP Thibodeau.
And we have a bit of a wind situation, so they're moving runways. But here comes JP Thibodeau in Crusader, coming in 5th.
Some outstanding work on the part of Dennis Sanders there in Eagles Wings. We did not get door-to-door or tip-to-tip racing like we sometimes get out there, but sometimes it's just fun to watch just a superior effort laid out for everyone who's here to watch.
And here comes Pretty Polly.
JD Chip Dale out of Belvedere, Texas, flying Pretty Polly, the D63 King Cobra. Made by Bell.
Great race.
By the way, Steve, as they cool off and get some altitude.
First aircraft is off the course. Landing runway 26, wind 190 at 19.